Dholuo for beginners. Nouns and plurals. Part 1. Common nouns. Ng'ato, person. Ng'ato, person. Ji, people. Ji, people. Wuoyi, boy. Wuoyi, boy. Yawuoyi, boys. Yawuoyi, boys. Nyako, girl. Nyako, girl. Nyiri, girls. Nyiri, girls. Dichuo, man. Dichuo, man. Chuo, men. Chuo, men. Dhako, woman. Dhako, woman. Mon, women. Mon, women. Nyathi, child. Nyathi, child. Nyithindo, children. Nyithindo, children. Book, book. Book, book. Buge, books. Buge, books. Dala, home. Dala, home. Mier, homes. Mier, homes. Wendo, guest. Wendo, guest. Welo, guests. Welo, guests. Guok, dog. Guok, dog. Guogi, dogs. Guogi, dogs. Diel, goat. Diel, goat. Diek, goats. Diek, goats. Gweno, chicken. Gweno, chicken. Gwen, chickens. Gwen, chickens. Ot, house. Ot, house. Udi, houses. Udi, houses. Jomadongo, adults. Jomadongo, adults. Jomadongo, adults. Jomadongo, adults. Dhano, human being. Dhano, human being. Dhano, human beings. Dhano, human beings.